Getyoulaid chicken and rice. First, we're going to start off by dicing up some green bell peppers, tomatoes, garlic, and onion. Next, we're going to cube up the chicken, about 1 to 2 cubic centimeters. Once that's done, we're going to saute the garlic and onions till about golden brown and translucent. Next, we're going to add the tomato and bell peppers. It's very important to season at this step for the best flavor. Make sure not to spill on the floor because that's super clumsy and messy and inconvenient. Next, we'll add the chicken slowly and one step at a time to make sure we get some good brownness. At this point, we're just going to admire our work and realize that the chicken needs to kind of cook till tender. Here, we're almost ready. We're about 10 minutes in and everything's coming together. Next, we're going to add the Korean barbecue sauce, conveniently found at Sassoon Seafood Center. And then we're going to add some spinach. To me, kind of brings everything together. At this point, we're just going to admire our work again and realize that this dish is almost done. Flavors have come together, and now we can add it to a bowl. Once again, admire your work and realize this needs some rice. So we're going to add some rice to a plate, serve the chicken over it, and ladies and gentlemen, we have some Getyoulaid chicken and rice. A perfect last-minute gift for your boothang. Conveniently and tastefully, this pairs well with a passion fruit milk tea found at Peace, Love, and Bubba or Culture Cafe.